Hi, garden rebels. It's officially spring, but does it really feel like spring to you? The temperatures, especially the night temperatures, are incrementally increasing, and the daytime temperatures are feeling just a touch warmer too. Watch your plants because they're telling you it's spring as well. Now, with that spring feeling, you might just get a small little pinch of spring fever and you want to plant your containers or hanging baskets. I want to give you some tips on that coming up. Oh, jeez. Yes, I think cats even get a little bit of spring fever as well. Never knew that. Going right into it, here is the big tip. If you've been with me throughout the year, you have a winter hanging basket, and it is very possible to take that winter basket and add in some summer annuals and create a lovely mixed container going into the spring, summer, and into the fall. Let me show you. So just looking at it, we've got this burgundy, we've got green, we've got yellow as our color scheme. Let's go shopping for some summer annuals. Sweet potato vine, there's a Kufia, types of verbenas, stock, Bidens, supertunias, nemesias, fancy leaf geraniums, ivy geraniums, zonal geraniums. A little bit of gardening each day. Guys, that's the tips and tricks for this week. Always live your passion. I see the sun.